Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome once again to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has broken his silence on last Sunday's controversial police shooting in Granville, St. James.
Addressing the JCF staff and Junior Command course graduation, Dr. Holness called for accountability while reminding officers that their core duty is to preserve life. Sandy Williams reports.
Grief, anger, and growing calls for justice. The fatal police shooting of Latoya Bulgin in St. James has ignited a firestorm of concern across Jamaica and beyond. As details continue to emerge, the incident has once again placed the conduct of law enforcement under the microscope, reviving long-standing fears about excessive use of force and the protection of civilian lives.
Less than a week ago, Latoya Bulgin from St. James lost her life in a police-involved shooting. I extend my sincere condolences to her family, her friends, her community, and all who are grieving. I know that the incident has caused pain, anger, and deep concern across Jamaica, and not just in Jamaica.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has acknowledged the global reach of the tragedy, with disturbing images and reports circulating widely, prompting concern from Jamaicans overseas and even international observers.
So I've been receiving calls from Jamaicans overseas concerned and from friends who are not Jamaican, but who would have seen the incident circulated.
In the immediate aftermath, the police high command moved swiftly as the officer involved has been interdicted, pending the outcome of an ongoing investigation. But beyond procedure, Dr. Holness struck at the heart of the issue, which is the fundamental role of the state.
The entire objective of the state is to preserve life. I want that to be the default position. We do not pay taxes to fund the police force for the police force to be the instrument that takes life, or for any arm of the state for that matter.
A powerful reminder as human rights advocates argue that too many encounters between police and civilians are ending in tragedy. Dr. Holness also pointed to a key reform, the establishment of INDICOM, as a safeguard meant to ensure transparency and independent oversight whenever lives are lost at the hands of the state.
Having INDICOM established sent a clear signal that the state of Jamaica and the agents of the state of Jamaica will be held to account for the unlawful taking of life. And any police-involved shooting or killing will be independently investigated to give assurance to the public that the state is not a purveyor of violence.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is expected to provide updates as the probe progresses.